I feel like sometimes words cannot say how beauty the place is. You can just perceive and sense the thing when you are watching the video. You just see how wonderful this place is. It is quite at the summit of the place, called summit of the mountain, at the very top, at the top of the mountain. And the road have been cut very nicely and made the roadways to make this place accessible. Okay, let's enter into the place. It appears like a government quarter, sir. Let's see. We were supposing something different. But
If you want, we can pause it now. You can pause it.
some mountains are here, and it shows about the rock cut art of different temples here. Okay, the temple is built what the style we call it, yeah, it's the yeah, too many monkeys. Okay, I will tell you so later on about the temples. You see, yeah, just see the flocks of monkeys. Do you have any food, sir? No, yeah, this is the place. Some 3-4 temples are there. They have been made in rock design. All the temple have been erected with rocks only. It talks about the rock cut art. This is the Jagamohana, this the Ratha or Jagamohan style, and under the roof of the Jagamohan you can find the Garbhagriha. Okay, I will show you the Garbhagriha. This much place is called Garbhagriha, and just below this quarter we will find the enshrined deity of the place. Okay, different enshrined deities have been installed within the Garbhagriha. Okay, that is the Garbhagriha, and this is called the Gudi style of temple. This is not actually the temple. This is the miniature size of the temple. These are called Gudi, especially in the book of architectures. Specifically in the book of architecture, it is called the Gudi style of temple. This is a very small fountain that running under the temples, and now I will lead you to the downside of the stream. Okay, let's go. Actually, I have a shocking thought today. Yeah, this is the steps. All have been made with rock cut. Okay, I will be taking bath, I think. नहीं आई भंसनगर रो yeah, very small fountain. Yeah, take some pictures, sir. Let's take some photos, sir, from here. It will be very nice, I think. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
From here. This side, no? That is on recording still, then we are taking the picture. No problem. Leave it here. Yeah. Actually, that place is called the Khol, sir. That is somewhere a cave, na? That is the cave, actually. Actually, there is no Buddhist temple. This place name is Buddha Khol. Okay. No Buddhist temple is there. Only some temples and some caves are there. And it is believed to have been a cave earlier. But actually, there is no temple, no Buddha Vihar like this. Okay. This one was another road. Okay. Yeah. Hi, this is pathway from this way. Okay. Come down, come. Come up. This, yeah. Okay, okay. Stand there, stand there. I'm also going, huh? Wow, wow, wow. Sometimes it needs no description.
Hello.
It's very wonderful.
Hi.
You come, do visit,
Yeah, Abhi.
and enjoy
Buddha
the
Khol
beautiful
Khol.
nature of this place.
Buddha Khol, Buddha Khol.
This is Buddha
Ah.
Khol. No Buddhist temple is there actually. It is supposed that it could have been a Buddhist shrine actually. This is not a Buddhist place. It's supposed that after seeing all this art, rock cut art, people presume it to be a Buddhist shrine. Pitha, right? So
We need a break.
we need a break.